Hi guys, so today ang reunion shoot ng Sparks Camp Season 2. Siyempre, pag napanood nyo yung vlog na to, napanood nyo na yung reunion pero magtatanong pa rin tayo sa mga campers kung kumusta na nga ba sila 4 months after the shoot. So, hanap tayo. Okay guys, I'm with Alan, the UP Fighting fellow
Yes,
Esko.
let's go. Hello, Direk. Hello sa viewers.
O ngayon, ano nararamdaman mo ngayon na mag-reunion show na?
Naku, babalikan na naman namin yung mga nangyari. Pero excited naman kasi napanood nyo naman yun, di ba? Ang dami talaga nangyari. It's giving roller coaster. So sana excited tayo sa mga mapag-uusapan this reunion.
Oh, eto. Balikan natin. Hindi naman kasi to technically yung first reunion nyo. So, may nangyayari ng mini reunions before. Pero balik tayo yung after the Sparks Camp shoot. Siyempre, you found a mutual spark with Kyle. So, curious ako, anong nangyayari pag uwi mo ng bahay? Anong mga feels mo? Anong ginawa mo after 1 week of being uga sa mga nangyayari sa shoot?
Naku, una nag-unpack muna ako ng luggage kasi ang daming damit. Pero after nun, finil ko muna lahat ng mga emotions. Tapos, even on the ride home naman, buti may kasama kami ni Kyle din. So, meron kaming extra time to hang out together. Then after nun, exchange of messages din, bukod sa group chat, magkausap din kami ni Kyle and with other campers. And I've been trying to schedule din agad na one-on-one talk with him. But mas nauna yung mga group puksaan. Tapos, ayun, hindi ko din in-expect kung ano yung mga nangyari doon sa puksaan na yun.
So, nag-meet kayo for group puksa. What do you mean by that?
Ano yan, yung mga gays, ganyan, magbabaon ng mga alak, magpapatlak ng mga pagkain. Tapos akala namin inuman lang. Tapos minsan may mga feelings pala na lumalabas. Pero I think mabuti na din kasi wala kaming mga budget pang psychiatrist. So kami-kami na lang din ang nagdi-debrief sa isa't isa.
Okay. So, anyway, of course, ilalabas ko to after the reunion. Malalaman naman nila na parang eventually hindi nag-workout yung kayong dalawa ni Kyle. Pero gusto ko lang malaman ilang days or weeks yung tinry to work it out, and how did it fizzled? How did the spark disappear?
Paano nag-expire?
Yes,
Sinasabi
expire
ko
pala.
na.
Okay. Nick de Ocampo, paano
Grabe.
nag-expire?
Siguro ako on my end, napanood niyo naman sa reunion at sana mabasa ko. Cut mo na lang to dire. At sana nasabi ko na from the get-go naman I've been trying to meet with him one-on-one. It's just that medyo busy siya. So, ayoko naman ding mamilit ng mga tao. So, I just waited hanggang sa maging free siya. Tapos nung na-invite ako to talk, it was, ano ba, parang super late na din. Parang malapit na yung reunion episode. Tapos,
So lately lang kayo nag-talk talaga?
na about this, pero yung na parang okay, we will just continue this as friends. I think mga a few weeks after kasi nung nagets ko na parang hindi ko alam kung bakit ayaw niya makipag-meet face to face. So, over chat na lang din namin na pag-usapan. Ayoko sana lang ganun kasi nakita nyo naman dun sa camp, diba? Best in one-on-one ako na, uy, can I talk to you? So, mas okay kasi yung dynamic sa akin ng face to face. Eh, kung hindi siya comfortable, ayoko naman siyang pilitin. So, just to settle things na lang din, I agreed na sa chat na lang din namin pag-usapan. And it was a mutual decision naman. So, ayun. That's it. That's the tweet.
Mutual decision because? Because?
Paano ba?
I'm sure sasabihin mo to sa reunion, pero gusto ko malaman.
Oo. For one thing siguro, baka may mga certain assumptions yung isa't isa. And then, we're not saying na different people yung mga pumasok sa camp versus yung sa lumabas. It's just that, syempre, ilang araw lang din kami magkakasama doon. And you would get to know people. And not that they are a bad person. It's just that hindi talaga kayo match. And mahirap naman kung forced yung connection. So, ngayon, I'm just glad na hindi man ako nakahanap ng mga jowa dito sa camp. Meron akong 9 new kumare ng mga kaibigan na alam ko iba-backup ako. At nakikita ko yung mga friends nila tuwing viewing parties at binobookmark natin yung mga fresh na friends. So sana maging referral network din ito in the future.
Okay, speaking of which, sinong pinaka-close mong mga kumare dito sa camper hanggang ngayon?
Ang mga close ko na campers ngayon na regular din nami-meet ko ay ang House of May, ang tinatawag naming House of May, which is composed of Martin, Alan, and me. And madalas ko din kausap sa Universe. And nakakausap ko din from time to time si Miggy. So sila yung mga close.
Lakad tayo for the last question kasi mag-orientation na ang dami mong admirers from the show. So, are you seeing someone right now?
Oh, not right now. So please i-DM nyo ako sa AM Pangilinan sa Instagram. I would like to meet all of you. Hindi ko pa kayo nakikita pero namimiss ko na kayo.
Message for your fans?
Oh, thank you so much. Ang Gcash ko hanapin nyo na lang. Pero yun, salamat sa support. Love you all.
Thank you. Oh, ayan na. Orientation na with Direk Cairo, guys.
Hindi pa ang ginawang vlog.
So, Direk Cairo is orienting the campers and sobrang siyang naiyak, guys. Oo, ayan. Ang nangyaring orientation ay nangyaring iyakan.
Ngayon na ako umiiyak. So, thank you kasi yun. You've made this show very worthwhile.
Hi guys, so ito yung set ng reunion. We're here. I'm happy, hindi ako magdadirect. So, manonood lang ako ng drama. So, ito yung crew. And of course, we miss si Ron na
Hello po!
lahat ng mga vlogs ko sa Sparks Camp ay nangunguna. Front and center. Baka maging camper na to pag may season 3. Ay, hindi pala. Taken pala siya. So, sorry po, boyfriend. Sige. So, dalawan lang yung hindi ko na-interview, no? So, ayaw na magpa-interview eh. So, later, tanungin natin si Kyle tsaka si Universe. So, stay tuned lang kayo dyan.
Itutuloy natin ang makulay na kwento ng kilig at kabaklaan. I am Miss Mela Habijan, your mother sparker and your resident matchmaker. And this is Sparks Camp, the reunion! Ano na?
Hi guys! So, break muna sa reunion show. Kaya eto ako ngayon. Tatanungin ko na naman ang ating editor and volunteer ng Sparks Camp Season 2. Kumusta ka, Kyle?
I'm okay. Super saya.
Kumusta ang reunions so far? How are you feeling sa mga first part ng reunion?
Naka-chill pa lang siya ngayon, pero feel ko, parang volcano yan. Masasabog na lang. Pero sana, done right.
Okay. I trust naman Mother Mela.
Yes.
But of course, pag pinalabas ko to tapos ang reunion show, so balikan na lang muna natin yung flashback. Kasi technically, hindi...
Ay, may lang.
Something ba? Kasi may chismis. Kasi technically, hindi naman to yung talagang first time yung mag-reunion, right? So let's go back nung nag-Sparks Camp and nag-end yung shoot ng Sparks Camp. Siyempre, nagka-mutual spark ka, tapos umuwi ka ng bahay, anong ginawa mo, anong naramdaman mo after the 1-week shoot?
Nako. I wish I have a good answer, pero to be honest, nawindang talaga ako direct. As in, super emotional. I had to take therapy also. Kasi parang, I think, 1 week, roller coaster siya. And parang, I think yung breaking point ko talaga, well, number 1, yung shinare ko yung experience ko with my ex. Super something yan na hindi ko talaga sinashare to anyone. So actually, most of my friends din nagulat na may ganun akong experience. Then second, yung kay Seichi, hindi ko na-expect na bibigyan niya ako ng spark. So parang, tapos after that, biglang parang happy naman kasi mutual spark ako. Pero parang may feeling ako na hindi ko siya ma-celebrate knowing that I turned someone down. So parang halo-halong experience siya for me. Kasi, I'm an empath din.
You've talaga namang nagte-therapy ka naman talaga na regularly, right?
Yes.
Pero anong sabi ng therapist mo?
Actually, my therapist watches the show. Hello. Actually, one thing my therapist said is she's very proud of me. Kasi sabi niya, grabe. Like, just for the last 2 years na I've been having you, I've seen so much growth. And I think for myself din, nagulat din ako na ito na pala ako. And I'm very proud of everything really I showed here in camp na, ganyan pala ako.
Were you surprised sa vulnerability na pinakita mo sa camp? Especially yung sa luau party, yung mga talks mo with Seichi and Alan.
Yeah, as in, Yung alak talaga, tama yan eh. Huwag na uminom. Nako. Sabi ko nga naman, like, before briefing din, sabi, how are you drunk? Sabi ko, kung anong nararamdaman kong emotion, times 5 or times 10 siya. Siguro that time, I was feeling, ayun nga, those emotions. So, mas nag-amplify siya. Pero in a way, it's nice to see myself like that kasi not a lot of people get to experience themselves, seeing them in those vulnerable moments. So, parang, in a way, parang this allows me to humanize myself na, human din pala talaga ako.
Anyway, mamaya, pag napanood nila to, alam naman nila na eventually, hindi nag-workout yung sa inyo ni Alan. So, siguro, gusto ko lang malaman, curious ako, mga ilang weeks na tinry or days na tinry nyo, and then, paano kayo nag-decide or kailan nyo din-decision na okay, hindi, it won't work out in the real world?
So, I'm not sure with how fast or slow it was. Pero, it was very soon after camp. It was me. Parang, na-realize ko, while wala namang wrong with Alan. He's a very nice person. Of course, I give my mutual spark to him. Feeling ko lang na I'm looking for someone else pa to parang be with. So parang ako kasi, as you know, as I shared in the stories in the camp, dami ko na ng pagdaanan in love. So siguro, parang siyang yung sinabi ni Seichi about Pipoy, na I guess we're just in different stages of love and gayness. Siguro, si Alan, no boyfriend since birth. Ako, LDR for 4 years, tapos lumipad ng ibang bansa. I'm looking for someone to really settle down. Someone na parang who's past the finding himself stage. Kasi parang feel ko naman sa dami kong napagdaanan, deserve ko naman na someone who will take care of me.
But the question is, how are you and Alan now?
We're good friends, actually. That's one thing I told him. Sabi ko, I want you to know that it won't work out now. And it's not because I don't like you or whatnot. It's because I believe na this is way forward to be friends. And we need to value that also. Kasi may pinagdaanan din tayo.
Na-mention mo kanina na uga ka rin kay Seichi. How are you and Seichi now?
Ako. Well, to be honest, we had a shaky path after camp. Pero right now, we're very good.
What's
So,
your shaky part?
may time na hindi kami nag-uusap.
Seichi?
Yes.
Why?
Ano ba? Mas nagalit siya sa akin. Nagkaroon kami ng misunderstanding. Tapos we didn't talk for like a month siguro. And then nung na-launch na sila as campers, episode 2, they talked to me. So parang settled. And parang we were able to hear each other why we were hurt, ganyan.
So you're okay?
We're okay. I'm okay with all the campers.
Okay. So, speaking of which, dahil you're okay with all the campers, kanino ka pinaka-close ngayon? 5 months after shoot, sinong camper ang pinaka-close sa'yo?
I think of course my closest talaga is Zuhair. Like we talk every day. He's like, I think he establishes also the maturity na meron din ako siguro. So parang, and siguro very straightforward. Alam mo, Scorpio kami talaga. Actually, matalas din yung bibig ko. Hindi lang siguro napakita sa show. But I resonate so much with Zuhair and feel ko nagto-trauma bonding talaga kami. And he's someone I really trust.
And kumusta ka naman ngayon? Anong pinagkakaabalahan mo? Saan anong pinanggagawa ni Kyle ngayon?
Yeah. So right now I'm a corporate person. So I work for corporate, so e-commerce. And then I handle my business. Yeah, and then hopefully I'm trying to come back with my hosting career kasi
you're very articulate. You're
Yeah.
very eloquent.
So actually before this I was an event host pero I stopped during the pandemic. So it's something na parang maybe I'm looking forward to do again in the future.
Definitely. Definitely. We will look forward to your hosting events and other stuff. Anyway, ito, may dinidate ka ba ngayon?
Nako. Actually, yan na nga. So, well, I'll be honest, I tried dating around. And kahit sa camp and kahit after camp, hindi pa rin siya masyadong successful. Kasi parang, I guess yun nga, sa sobrang dami kong pinagdaanan, I realized na I deserve the best. Kasi grabe ako magmahal direct. So parang, kung mamimili ako, kailangan ibigay ko na piliin ko yung tama kasi masasaktan ako. So I'm very careful with picking talaga. And porket na hindi work out, hindi ibig sabihin na there's something wrong. It's just that baka hindi pa oras.
Okay, good yan, good yan. Okay, anyway, last message mo sa mga supporters ni Kyle and message mo rin sa mga na-heartbroken after the reunion ng mga fans nyo ni Alan.
Okay. Well, I just want to say thank you to everyone who sends me messages regularly to let me know na I'm seen, I'm special, and that, of course, you resonate with my stories, na napagdaanan nyo yun. From the bottom of my heart, I think I really am very thankful. And forever ko tong dadalhin at bibitbitin kung saan man akong mapupunta. And I will always be thankful for the experience, especially for you also, Derek. Thank you for giving me this opportunity then, and Black Sheep. Sa mga na heartbroken with me and Alan, I think naman na you don't have to. We're still good. We may not end as what you want us to be, but there's still a lot of things ahead and anything is possible.
Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you, Derek.
Friendship, you are my closest friend. Gusto mo na ba yung love mo?
Grabe guys, nakakauga ang reunion show ngayon.
Alam mo, meron din ako makita.
Ito ang behind the scenes. Panoorin na lang ulit.
I am your mother's sparker and resident matchmaker, Miss Mela Habijan. This is not goodbye. Hopefully, we'll see you again in another edition of Sparks Camp. Let the sparks
Okay, hello. Congrats. Kakatapos ng reunion show. How are you?
Finally, na-close na namin ang chapter ng season 2. It's mixed emotions, masaya, pero nakakalungkot rin. Pero hindi man, like we said, it's not a goodbye. We're gonna see each other. At totoo naman na may nabuong connection, so we're gonna keep nurturing that sa labas.
Okay. But technically, this is not your first reunion. So let's go back to the time when you finished shooting Sparks Camp Season 2. So what did you do upon arriving sa kung saan ka nagsistay sa Manila? Anong naramdaman mo after the shoot?
Ako kasi naging busy ako maghanap ng parang temporary place to stay. And nagpapasalamat nga ako kay Mother Mela kasi tinulungan niya ako makahanap ng permanent, or not necessarily permanent, pero temporary place to stay na mapagrerentahan ko.
Which
so,
is?
Sa Pasig siya.
Unit ba to ni Mother?
Oo, unit siya ni Mother. So Mother is definitely mothering. Thank you, Mother.
But how are you feeling then?
Siguro, then, I already knew na magiging polarizing yung perception ng mga tao sa character ko. At totoo naman. Siguro, binitbit ko siya. So I just did everything that I could to get my mind out of that. So I went to the gym. I did everything that I love. Journal. Work on my business. And yeah, looked into acting as well.
Yeah, that's good. So, ngayon, ano pinagkakabalahan mo ba ngayon?
Siyempre, hindi ko piniling maging social media influencer, pero tumaas din po ang followers ko sa Instagram. If you guys don't follow me yet, all social medias, Universe Ramos. So, yun talaga ang focus ko in the meantime that I'm discovering myself as an actor. Because, gusto ko talagang i-pursue siya.
Curious ako, sinong pinaka-close mo ngayon sa mga campers after 4 months?
After 4 months, siguro yung lagi ko nakakausap si Martin, pero of course Alan din, kasi we kind of kept that promise with each other, besties outside of camp. So we spend a lot of Sundays together, and then also I've hung out with a couple campers na rin, si EJ. He's taken me out to an MRT experience, movie screening, nandun pa nga si Derek, to see my celeb crush, Alex Diaz, if you're watching, hi. Tapos yun, we met.
The question is, are you dating someone right now?
Wala pa akong parang
Talking to someone right now?
talking wala rin. I have
Bakit?
no aim.
Why? You were so smooth in the camp.
I feel like wala. I don't have anybody interested right now. Yeah, but I'll check my DMs. Baka meron, hindi ko lang nakikita.
Anong tawag nito? So, sorry na, lost ako. So, do you have any messages to your fans? Because even if others hate you, meron ka rin mga apologists.
Apologies.
So,
Apologies is the right
yeah.
word.
So, what's your message to them?
My message to my supporters, thank you guys so much for continuing to support me and seeing the real me in the show na kahit meron pang negative remarks, merong negative edits, nakita niyo talaga kung sino ako and you chose to see the good in me. I appreciate that, yung mga messages nyo. And, sa mga haters na rin, I guess, sana bigyan niyo ako ng opportunity. Pero, I already have accepted na I'm not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. Pero if you guys want to give it an opportunity to get to know me, again, my social media, Universe Ramos, makikita nyo yung mga adventures ko dito sa Philippines now that I'm considering to stay here for 1 year. Tapos, mga, next plans ko sa aking buhay.
Ngayon tapos na yung show, tapos na yung shoot, tapos na yung reunion. Meron ka pa bang gustong i-clear or anything na you wanna, kasi ipapalabas ko to after the reunion. So anything na gusto mong i-clarify or i-clear or whatever?
Siguro panoorin niyo na po yung reunion. Pero para sa akin, I think I've learned a lot during shooting camp, post, and syempre dito sa reunion. Marami akong babaunin and I know that I have a lot to work on myself. So I'm gonna keep doing that and just know that I'm always trying to achieve the best version of myself.
Okay, thank you, Yuri. Thank you. Thank you.
Natawag niya akong red flag but I still love him.
Yeah, and I retweet all the negative posts and comments about him.
He's actually my number one fan. Hindi lang alam.
Kasi baka maging sensitive ka, awayin mo ako eh. Thank you. So guys, yun. Sorry hindi rin ako ganun ka-cloud chaser para tanungin about the Zoher Universe drama. It's their drama. So follow nyo lang sila sa social media nila. But thank you for following and watching all my Sparks Camp Season 2 content. See you pag may Season 3 pa. Sana. Please pray for us. But thank you so much. And please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Kasi laking tulong rin sa akin na isang passive content creator. Bye!